In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Discord sensitive content filter. By the end, you'll know exactly where these settings live and how to adjust them so Discord shows you mature or potentially sensitive media without warnings if that's what you want. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or web browser. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner and click the little gear icon to open user settings. This is where all your account and app preferences live, and it's the quickest way to control what you see in chats. In the left sidebar, find and select Content and Social. This section groups together how Discord handles media and messages, so it's the right place for these controls. Inside Content and Social, click on the Content subsection. Here you'll see the options that determine how images, videos, and other media are displayed. Look for sensitive content filters. This is where Discord decides whether to hide, warn, or show items that might be considered sensitive. Within that area, locate the setting labeled Mature Sexual Media. If your goal is to disable the filter for this category, change it to Show. Choosing Show removes Discord's automatic barrier and allows this media to appear without a warning screen. Just below, you'll see filter choices you can tailor. Typically, you can pick between hiding sensitive content, showing it with a warning, or showing it outright. To effectively disable the filter, choose Show. Keep in mind, changing these options doesn't change what other people post. It only affects whether Discord blocks or warns you before displaying it. You can apply these preferences separately based on where content comes from. Adjust direct messages from friends if you want trusted contacts media to display without warnings. Then set direct messages from others to your preference, since messages from people you don't know might be less predictable. Finally, set messages in server channels. This is helpful if you're in communities that share a lot of media and you want those items to appear immediately in your feed. A few important notes. Only enable Show if you're comfortable viewing mature material and are of legal age in your region. Some servers have rules about NSFW content, so always follow server guidelines. If you don't see these options, make sure your app is updated. Availability can vary by region, age settings, or rollout status. And remember, you can come back here anytime to switch from Show to Warn or Hide if you change your mind. Once you've made your choices, you're all set. Your new settings apply right away, so browse as usual and you'll notice the difference immediately.